Hello, my name is Akshay Yadav, and this is my team. We are make application for worker. The name of the application is Worker Portal. And next part, this is the table of this is the table of content. First, we discuss about abstract, after that introduction, objective, front-end technology, back-end technology, database technology, and we also discuss API technology, uh, data flow diagram, database description, ER diagram, and we also discuss use case diagram, future scope, and result. And at the last, we discuss future references. In abstraction, our portal is online platform designed to connect job seeker with the person who need work for housework, and also local businesses, builders such as painter, electrician, plumber, etc. use our website to post their skill. With the help of the skill, their post, they work in any house. Next part explained by Arpit Patel.
My name is Arpit Patel. We are creating application which can work as an interface between the worker and customer or person. Our application helpful for people who are finding a job in our local areas. They can easily find a job by using our application. Mainly our application is created which can help people who cannot find a job in their local areas, who are not available to going outside the city. So those type of people are easily find a job by using our application. Application are also helpful for local businesses. Our application is also helpful for job seekers and local businesses. Local businesses we can at local businesses we can say that like hospitals and some marts these things. So next is our objective. What is the objective of our project? So our objective is project we can provide interface between the worker and customer. And our portal is an online platform designed to connect job seekers with person who need our workers for house. Our application helpful for people who are finding a job in our local area. They can easily find a job by using our application. Local businesses, builders such as painter, electrician, plumber, etc., can use our application to post their work skills, like painters, electricians who are skilled in a painting and like electricity electricians, they can post their skills by using our application. So next part is
This is the
technology
technology stack of our project.
abstract.
This is technology stack of our project. In front-end technology, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also we use Bootstrap for front-end framework. With the help of the Bootstrap, we are see that our application and also in mobile, and we use Ajax for fast reloading the website. Without reloading the whole page, we reload the some part of the website also. And we are in the backend, we use Java as a backend language, and we also use Apache Tomcat server because Apache Tomcat is a open source server, and JSTR, JSPER, and we also follow MVC architecture in our project. In database description, database, we see that we use MySQL database. We take an example and any client and requesting to the API and the API query database to the database, and the database process it, and they give the data to the API, and the API responds with the data to the client. And also and in APIs we see that we use a Twilio API for OTP verification, and JSON API used to convert JSON to POJO. POJO means plain old Java object. And we also use Google Livenophania API for validating phone number. Google reCAPTCHA is used for remote. Next part is explained by Damodar Lodhi.
Okay, so Damodar Lodhi in a place I am explaining the data flow diagram. So generally we start and we have provide our English and Hindi, both type of Hindi. Then user go for sign in and sign up. If he have a if they have an account, then he can sign in. They don't have account, then he can go and sign up. Then he can go in a worker and customer. He can as a if he can go in a worker, then he can need to fill details and experience are optional. And he can go and select areas location like which city, which area and which location he belongs. Then he can browse job and he can also browse the categories. He can select the job and he can also able to see the details of a job. Then he can request it for this. We can, if talking about if a person going for the customer side, then he can create profile and he can fill job details completely. Like he can fill all details which is necessary to creating a profile. Then he can fill it. He can job is a full time or part time. This information. Then it is a bounded job. Like if there is any bound of job or it is a flexible, he can, and he can also like add a working time, how much working time is there. So after this is last thing is feedback. Giving our feedback is also important, and this improve our application. That's why we are feedback system also allow. So this is our data production.
Database description. We use MySQL database because it is reliable and scalable. This structural support complex query and just joins to retrieve and manipulate data from multiple tables effectively. It provide a facility to manage transaction with help of rollback and commit command. Next.
This is the ER diagram, means entity relationship diagram. We are see that user is the main part of our project. We see that user are connected from the deals and also from the work. With the help of work, we assign a deal. A deal is the main table in our project. We see that the deal are also connected with the chat, review, and deal status. And with the help of the chat table, we chat together client and worker. And there is a many status table, just like we see that work status, review, and also payment status. And next.
User case diagram. Worker at scale and chat and deal. And customer is related to search work, deal request, and feedback. Next.
And this is the
So
future scope of our project. We will provide a multi-language facility. Like we also use this website in multi-languages like Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, and also local languages. If worker want to do multiple tasks simultaneously, then we provide the facility to the in our project also. Result section are explained by Arpit Patel.
So we developed application which is running comfortably. Now we are working on deploy application on AWS server. After completing 100% our project, we are deploying our project in AWS because AWS is the best where we can deploy our project. So next page.
In the references, we study Hibernate from hibernate.org. Uh, the, we talk about the Bootstrap. We use bootstrap.com for in our using in our website. MySQL.com is also used in our website. We also study MySQL from MySQL.com, and Spring.io are used in our website. Google Translator is the most important in our future scope. With the help of the Google Translator, we translate or Hindi to English and English to Hindi and also to the many languages. Gemini AI is AI. With the help of the AI, we are understand many of the things. And thank you for that.